Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is going to be hopefully a quick video. We are looking at using Google Draw. And for our assignment today, number 17, you're going to draw 3 different logos. So logo 1, 2, 3. The first one, colored letters with numbers. Number 2, colored letters with transparency and drop shadows. And then lastly, colored shapes with letters and different colored borders. So that's pretty similar to some of these other ones. So I'm going to go ahead and I have a Google Draw open that I'm going to use to show you how to do this. But to get your own, you're going to click on link, open Google Draw, and we are going to make a copy, work out of this, because what we're going to need to do, everything is going to be used with word art. So if I hop over into this one, I'm just going to remind us, the very first is one, logo 1, colored letters with numbers. I'm going to go over here, letters with numbers. So I already have these in here. I'm actually going to leave them, and I'm going to go to insert and word art, which is what we're going to do with all of this. Don't use a text box. It doesn't really work. And I'm going to write Mr. Beglinger. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of space, but that's okay. I'm going to grab it, scroll it, and maybe shrink it down a little bit because it's kind of big. Now, right now it's blue, which is fine. And I'm going to switch that color to orange, and it has a black border, which is one of the things on there. Mr. Beglinger, and my classroom number is 155. So just to add numbers, same thing. This is just go, word art, room 155. There it is. Now, that, I'm going to rotate it like this, shrink it down again, and fill this in underneath. So, first one, colored letters with numbers. I might want to switch this room to black just so it's like SLP colors. There's that. Here we go. Now, to submit this, just grab screenshot and insert the screenshot. So logos 2 and 3. If we go back to here, I have a colored letters with transparency and drop shadows. And so I already have an example set up here. I have this Mr. Now, same thing. I'm going to hop over into insert word art. And let's go with room 155. So I have room 155 and just like the generic word art colors. That's pretty big. I'm going to shrink it down. There it is. Let's say I don't really like the font of that. I'm going to go up here to Arial, and maybe Chewy is a better font. Not really a big fan of that, but it would work. Barrio. No, not that one. Let's just go with something easy to read. Comic Sans. Definitely not. That's an elementary font. Let's go with this one. Now, if I want to make that so it's transparent and colored with drop shadows, right now I'm going to change the color to purple. Now, that's a pretty dark purple. That would actually kind of work. I'm going to rotate it just a little bit. Now, to switch it so it's transparent, color custom. This bar right here, this is the transparency right here. Slide it, slide. Now, click on OK. Now it's hard to tell. It just looks like it's lightened. So if I add a drop shadow, so over here, I'm going to go Format Options. These format options are over here. So Format Options, Drop Shadow. And now my drop shadow, I'm going to increase the distance a little bit, and that gives us a little bit of that floating graphic look. And then, so that's colored letters with transparency and drop shadow. That's actually how you do it. And then for logo 3, colored shapes with letters and different colored borders. You can see up here I have a box around my Mr. And so right here, room 155. I'm just going to go up here, grab a shape, click on this, and draw a box. Whoa, that's not what I want. Actually, it kind of is. I need to right click, so 2-finger click, and I need to order to the back. No, I don't really like that blue, so I'm going to go fill color and switch that over to black. My room 155, I'm going to switch that to orange. Now, colored shapes with different letters and different colored borders. Go back to my box, border color, Drop that into orange. And I'm going to weight that at 12. Perfect. So there's a nice Room 155 logo. Screenshot, submit. There you go, guys. Good luck. Make it creative.